president and a third of the Congress is Democrats to pass it, and they would take responsibility. And that's what Senator Brown had in mind, was that the Republicans, especially the Tea Party Republicans, would say to their grassroots constituents, we have no